a total masterclass on Snowflake data warehousing tool, and this will be completely hands-on training, right? So as of now, we already know that data is the new oil and data warehousing tools are becoming more and more popular, right? Because of the age of big data, and data warehousing tools have always been there for quite a while, right? But Snowflake is one of the most famous data warehousing tool which is being used right now in the industry by big players, and it is actually competing against big players like Azure, competing against BigQuery from Google, competing against Redshift from Amazon, right? And Snowflake is actually doing a very good job. So Snowflake is gaining traction, right? And it is just because of its architecture and its scalability and other many important issues which you will learn in this course, right? So in this course you will learn, we'll start with the very basics, then we'll do some housekeeping for Snowflake where we'll be installing Snowflake and doing some other housekeeping stuff, right? Then we'll be starting with some very basic concepts of Snowflake, right? Then we'll have a crash course on the SQL language, right? Then we'll start with the ingestion of the data, that is working with data in Snowflake. Then we'll get into the advanced concepts in Snowflake, right? Like performance monitoring, performance tuning, caching, and data sharing, etc. And then some of the unique features of Snowflake like time travel, zero cloning, etc. Right? So probably this course doesn't require you to come and know everything about Snowflake. You don't have to know anything about Snowflake, yeah, but you should know a bit of data warehousing, right? You should know or have a general idea of how databases work, right? And even if you don't have an idea of that, you can attend this course because we will be covering everything from scratch, right? So who are we? We are Cosmic, and professionally we are entrepreneurs with over 6 years of experience in finance, tech, real estate. We are trained at mobile app development, web development, artificial intelligence, and finance. So in our course, basically you will find a mixture of theoretical and practical knowledge. So what we do is we'll be making you understand each and every concept theoretically, and then we'll be applying that concept on real life data, not on dummy data, right? So that when you get into the real world after learning from this course, you don't face problem in implementing on a real data set, right? So what are you waiting for? Go click the buy button and let's meet inside the course and start the exciting journey of Snowflake. So I'm waiting inside the course. See you inside the course. Thank you.